Hello and welcome back to my channel, Learn Igbo Language with Igbo. I know you've been following me and I know you've been learning Igbo language. I love you and I love Igbo language. Igbo nwati Igbo sụwa asụsụ Igbo Igbo amaka. We need to preserve our language, our mother tongue and our culture. And that is my aim in this channel. Thank you that have been following me. And if today is your first time of seeing this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and welcome. Welcome. In today's study, I'm going to teach you the names of God in Igbo. The names of God in Igbo. I know you call God so many names in Igbo language. We're going to learn the Igbo version of it today. You are the mighty man in battle. I know you know that song. Mighty man. Mighty man. Mighty man. That is great God. You can say mighty man of war. Odogunara. Mighty man of war. Odogunara. That is the names of God in Igbo we are learning. Mighty man of war. Odogunara. Mighty man is Odogu. Then war. Nara. Ara. War. Ara. Mighty man of war. Odogunara. King of kings. Eze ndeze. King of kings. Eze ndeze. Igwe is also king. Igwe, king. That's how you refer God. King, Igwe. He is the king of kings. Eze too is Igwe. In Igbo, Igwe, you also call it Eze. You refer God as king, as your Igwe. That is Eze. I hope you're understanding it. You also call God the beginning and the end. You are the beginning and the end. Isimbido na njedebe. The beginning and the end. Isimbido na njedebe. That's what God is. He is the beginning and the end. Isimbido na njedebe. He begins everything and he will end everything any day he wants. I hope you're following me. Then you have changeless or ageless God. Changeless. Changeless. Agbanwe. Our God is changeless God. Agbanwe. He doesn't change. He does not change. Then you can call God my helper. My helper. My helper. Onye nyaka. Onye nyakam. My helper. Onye nyakam. Then we have Okechi. Okechi, great God. Okechi, great God. Okechi, great God. I hope you are enjoying it. I know that song. Okechi yo nukuchi. Okechi. Okechi. Then you have Ebubedike, mighty God. Ebubedike. Ebubedike, mighty God. Mighty God. Ebubedike. He is mighty. God is mighty. Ebubedike. Ebubedike. Obatobi. Just keep calling God's name in Igbo in a private prayer. Let's appreciate God in our mother tongue. Let's call him his name in our mother tongue. It's sweet, you enjoy it. You can call it anything. Express yourself in Igbo calling God. He enjoys that. You speak in tongues, but you don't speak in your own tongue. Please start today and speak to God in your own tongue, in Igbo language. Then, the doer of great things. Our God is a doer of great things. Omihuku. The doer of great things. Omihuku. Great things. Ihuku. That's the doer of great things. Omihuku. I hope you're understanding it. Yeah, begin to talk to God in Igbo language, in your mother tongue. He enjoys it. He enjoys it. He's our God. I will express myself at the end of this video. I will begin to express myself to God, calling him names in Igbo language. You may understand, you follow me, and let's appreciate God. He created us to appreciate him. Then you have lion, the lion, agụ chamber. Lion bụ agụ chamber. The lion of the tribe of Judah, agụ chamber. That's who he is. Ebube dike, ọbata obi, ga n'ogwu, odogwu akata aka, isi mbido na isi njedebe, amama amasị amasị, ọbata obi, ebube dike, dike n'agha, omemgboji, eze Jizọs, ikuku ama n'ọnya, eze ndị eze. Yeah. Follow me to appreciate God in Igbo and call him and express yourself the way you feel. That's why I'm here. Just, if you're confused, just drop me in the comment section. I will attend to you. Express yourself to God. Call him names in Igbo, in your mother tongue. He enjoys it, I assure you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.